This video mainly introduces the appropriate ranges in which our joint angles can be effectively improved when riding. The suitable riding posture is the relative balance between the person and the bike. After clarifying our needs, we can adjust our body posture within a reasonable range to make our riding safer, more comfortable, and more efficient. In this article, let's learn together how to adjust our joint angles to a scientific range. Knee angle adjustment. Measurement method. Use a long arm goniometer to measure the angle of the knee joint. 3 key points: the rotation point on the hip joint, the widest bone on the side of the hip, the knee joint, and the ankle joint. Measure with the knee joint as the fixed point and make sure the knee is behind the pedals before measuring. There are different reference ranges for different bikes, such as knee bend angle for road bikes is 108 to 112 degrees. For mountain bikes is 110 to 115 degrees. And for racing and triathlon bikes is 110 to 115 degrees. The knee extension angle, the difference angle between the leg is fully extended or bent for road and mountain bikes is 35 to 40 degrees. And for racing and triathlon bikes is 37 to 42 degrees. Back angle adjustment. During riding, if your back is excessively bent for a long time, not only will you feel sore after riding, but it will also hinder breathing and damage the spine. According to the experience of professional rider Phil Burt, the optimal angle for the back of the road bike, mountain bike, time trial bike, and triathlon bike is 45 degrees, 50 degrees, 20 degrees, and 25 degrees respectively. Of course, if you are riding slowly in the city at low speeds, an upright upper body can give you better visibility. Shoulder angle adjustment. The angle of the shoulder determines the strength of the neck and shoulder muscles. When riding for a long time, an inappropriate shoulder angle will affect the comfort and health of the neck and shoulders. The wrist joint angle is generally measured for road bikes and mountain bikes. The angle range is 90 degrees and 75 to 80 degrees respectively. In contrast, the elbow joint angle is generally measured for time trial racing bikes and triathlon bikes. For racing bikes, the angle is 75 to 80 degrees, and for triathlon bikes is 70 to 75 degrees. Elbow angle adjustment. A suitable elbow angle can effectively absorb impact on the arm, reduce shoulder pressure, and increase stability when riding. The general angle for road and mountain bikes is 150 to 170 degrees, and for time trial racing and triathlon bikes it is generally 90 to 100 degrees. Ankle joint angle adjustment. Maintaining a more appropriate angle and relative position of the ankle joint and knee joint can better ensure riding comfort. The forward extension of the knee position relative to the foot for road bikes, mountain bikes, time trial racing, and triathlon bikes should be minus 10 mm to 10 mm, minus 20 mm to 10 mm, and 50 mm to 100 mm respectively. The pedal axis should be between the first foot metatarsal bone and the fifth foot metatarsal bone. The maximum ankle joint angle when the foot is near the top of the pedaling cycle is generally 95 to 105 degrees. In contrast, the minimum ankle joint angle is generally 70 to 80 degrees when the foot is near the bottom of the pedaling cycle.